In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll be able to view and interact with your ClickUp tasks right inside a Notion page, which keeps everything in one place and saves you from switching tabs all day. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the exact item you want to display in Notion. This can be a single task, a list, or a specific view like board, list, or calendar. It helps to choose the view that best matches how you want to consume the information in Notion. For example, if your team thinks in stages, a board view is great. If you need details at a glance, a list view is often better. Make sure any filters, sorting, or grouping are set the way you want, because whatever you see in ClickUp is what will appear in the embed. Next, look for the Sharing and Permissions option in ClickUp. Open it and enable the setting that allows you to share the link with anyone. Once that's on, copy the public link. This is important because Notion needs a publicly accessible URL to render the content. Take a second to confirm you are comfortable with what's visible in this shared view. Since anyone with the link can see it, you can always turn sharing off later if you need to revoke access. Now jump into your Notion page. Place your cursor where you want the ClickUp view to live and simply paste the link you copied. Notion will recognize it and display a small menu. Choose Create Embed. Within a moment, your ClickUp content will appear right inside Notion. From here, you can resize the embedded block by dragging the edges to make it wider, narrower, or taller, so it fits the layout of your page. You can scroll through the embed, open tasks, and interact with the view just as you would in ClickUp, all without leaving Notion. If something doesn't load, double-check that the ClickUp link is still set to be shared with anyone and that you copied the correct URL. A quick page refresh in Notion can also help. That's all it takes. To recap, pick the ClickUp task, list, or view you want. Enable public sharing and copy the link. Paste it into Notion. Then select Create Embed. With a few clicks, you've brought your project tracking into your documentation hub, making your workflow smoother and more connected. Thanks for watching.